Tired of scrolling through the same old job postings? Feeling like every interesting remote job has 1,000 applicants? What if we told you there are entire industries, full of well-paying, always hiring jobs, that most people completely overlook? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on its surprisingly stable and lucrative remote careers that you've probably never even heard of. Stick around, because one of these might just be your next big career move. Let's start with a really unexpected one, a funeral sales specialist. Now, stay with me here. This is a crucial role where you help families plan funeral arrangements and sell service packages, often through what's called pre-need planning. It's a deeply meaningful job that provides comfort during a difficult time. Because of aging populations, this industry is incredibly stable and recession-proof. You're looking at a base pay of around $54.0 to $86.0. But with commissions, top earners can easily break a six-figure mark, all while working from home. Next up, a job for the writers out there who love clarity and the order, the user manual writer. Think about it, every new piece of software, every gadget, every complex internal process at a company needs clear instructions. That's where you come in. You create user guides, instruction manuals, and the standard operating procedures. If you're good at breaking down complicated topics into simple, easy-to-follow steps, you can earn anywhere from $47.0 to over $76.0, depending on your experience and the technicality of the products. Do you have a sharp eye for detail and a healthy dose of skepticism? Then you might be a perfect statistics validator. In a world full of data-driven claims, companies need people to verify those claims. You'll inspect the data behind marketing campaigns and the reports to ensure everything is accurate and compliant. It's like being a truth detective for a living. Pay for this critical role typically ranges from about $40.0 to over $64.0, with potential bonuses. If you're even a little bit tech-savvy, you've heard of WordPress. It powers a huge portion of the internet, which means there's constant demand for WordPress support technicians. In this role, you're a hero to website owners, helping them fix issues, troubleshoot plugins and themes, and perform site maintenance. It's a fantastic entry point into the tech world with a salary of around $42.0 to $63.0, and it offers a great foundation to grow your technical skills. Now for the heavy hitters in tech, let's talk about the database administrator, or DBA. Every major company wants on data, and the DBAs are the guardians of the data. They manage and maintain massive databases, ensuring they are secure, efficient, and reliable. It's a high responsibility role with high rewards, commanding salaries from $70.0 to well over $121.0 for main positions. Are you a math whiz who loves predicting the future? Meet the actuarial analyst. This is a high-demand role, especially in insurance and finance. You'll use statistics and the probability to analyze risk and build complex financial models. It's challenging work that requires a specific skill set, which is why it pays so well. We're talking $95.0 to over $152.0 as you gain experience and the certifications. But in the world of sales and marketing, we have the lead management coordinator. This is the organizational backbone of a sales team. You manage all incoming sales leads, assign them to the right people, and make sure no more opportunity falls through the cracks. You ensure the entire sales pipeline flows smoothly. For this essential coordinating role, you can expect to earn between $54.0 and $83.0, often with commissions on top. Finally, for the ultimate organizers, there's the data taxonomy specialist. This sounds complex, but it's all about bringing order to chaos. You help companies classify and structure their data by creating tagging systems and organizing metadata. This work is the foundation for everything from better websites to advanced machine learning. So sir, you have it incredible, always hiring remote jobs that fly under the radar. The job market is bigger than you think. If this opened your eyes to new possibilities, make sure to hit the like button. Let me know in the comments which job surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into finding your dream career. Thanks for watching.